Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to check the size of RAM on your PC. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my PC. To check the RAM size, first of all go to Start and over here type About, ABOUT About, and click on this About Your PC. And over here you can find this interface. Now you can see here is device specifications. Now here is device name, processor, installed RAM, and you can see here is 8 GB. That means my RAM is of 8 GB over here. In the similar way, you can find the RAM size of your device. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.